In this video, I'm going to be showing y'all how you can get the hair effect on TikTok. Now, just so y'all know, it's going to go from this bald Smurf guy to that guy. So, here's what you need to do. You're going to need 3 applications. You're going to need CapCut, you're going to need FaceApp, and you're going to need TikTok. Links for all of those will be in the description. Now what you're going to want is go on TikTok and search long hair filter. Have this ready. Now what you want to do is make sure you have your photos that you would like to go from, no hair to long hair. Now what you want to do is open up the Face app, and when the Face app opens up, we're going to tap on Gallery, and right here I'm going to choose this photo right here. So this is the photo I want to edit. We're going to scroll over to hairstyles, and then from here we're going to tap on long hair. It's going to give him long hair. So take a screenshot of the long hair version, go back to the original, take a screenshot of that. Once you take screenshots of both, you can go ahead and go to the TikTok app, go to, after you search, long hair filter, go to the TikToks that come up. You're going to see all sorts of videos. You see where it says CapCut, try this template. Tap right there. And you can see this is the effect. So we're going to tap on use template in CapCut. And then from here, y'all's will look a little bit different because I already started it. So I'm just going to tap on use template. And I'm going to tap on these 2 images. Preview. It's loading right now. Depending on how many photos, that will be how long it takes to load. You can see as it scrolls, there's hair, no hair, hair, no hair. Pretty cool. So you can go ahead and click on export, and you can save and share directly to TikTok. So that is how you do that. Thanks for watching. Peace.